गाइस, तो हम JNU MA ज्योग्राफी एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम 2019 का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, यूजिंग एनी मैप प्रोजेक्शन देयर विल बी ऑलवेज बी सम डिस्ट्रक्शन बिकॉज। इसका आंसर है ए, a map has been depict the curved surface of the three-dimensional earth on the two-dimensional sheet of paper. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, किरकुक इज अ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑयल फील्ड इज। इसका आंसर है ए, इराक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द फिजिकल क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इंडेक्स PQLI इंक्लूड्स ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्ट एक्सेप्ट। तो इसका आंसर है हाउसिंग क्वालिटी। नेक्स्ट, chemical weathering is more pronounced in hot and humid region. नेक्स्ट है, a population pyramid with white base indicate। इसका आंसर है हाई फर्टिलिटी रेट। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग coral आर susceptible to। इसका आंसर है ए, ब्लीचिंग। Smallest rural settlement is a type of isolated farm state. Next है, mark attained by the student in 8th test are 45, 52, 47, 56, 44, 39, 46 and 51. Mean of the mark attained by the student is। इसका आंसर है ए। एक्चुअली ये स्टैटिस्टिक का है, तो आप सॉल्व कर लीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट है, स्पेशल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सेटलमेंट विद डिफरेंट पॉपुलेशन साइज इज बेस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय। इसका आंसर होगा डॉट मैप। गैरीमैंड्री इज रिलेटेड टू। इसका आंसर होगा मैनिपुलेटिंग बॉर्डर्स एंड इलेक्टोरल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स टू फेवर वन पार्टी और कैंडिडेट। Disaster Management Act was passed by Parliament in 2005. Federalism in political geography deal with plurality in a state. Population projection are based on assumption of the future using current data. Which one of the following is not true with respect to interval scale? None of the above. The dinosaur appear on the Earth's surface during Triassic period. Green revolution through genetic improvement in India was achieved from which of two crop? इसका आंसर है wheat and rice. The amount of energy from one trophic level to another in an ecosystem decrease. Identify the correct statement. Regional income inequality is are typical greater in the less developed country than in developed one. The Kuroshio is a warm water current which run Philippines to Japan. The residual landform in the peneplain are known as domicile. The statement that the journey to work is 15 minutes by the bus is an example of relative distance. India most human migration as per 2001 census result were due to marriage purpose. One of the two geostrategic region of Cohen is trade-dependent maritime world. The term biosphere was used by Adorcius. The Coriolis force affect the result of Earth's rotation. Location of sugar industry in India is shifted from north to south because high yield and high sugar content in sugar. The northern half of the mid-Atlantic ridge is known as Dolphin Ridge. Horticulture is currently practiced in the all of the above. Gujjar and Bakarwal population constituted major population of Pir Panjal region of Jammu Kashmir. The main contribution of Al-Idrisi in the field of cartography, with which one of the following pressure belt horse latitude are associated with subtropical high pressure? The stream that flow parallel to the major stream for a long distance before joining, it's called Yanzo River. Rank size rule is useful measure for study settlement system. Terra Rosa is a typical soil of Mediterranean region. Which one of the following fold has uniform slope? Symmetrical line joining the point of equal depth is known as isobath. All of the following are included in Ravenstein law of migration except most migration is urban to rural. Country instituted input subsidies in agriculture to ensure domestic produce of the reasonable net return. According to Peter Haggetts, which one of the following is a correct order of analyzing the northern region system? Interaction, network, nodes, and hierarchy. Differential heating and cooling of outer and lower rock cause एक्सफ्लोएशन। और बाकी का हाफ पेपर नेक्स्ट पार्ट में सॉल्व होगा। थैंक यू।